Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing tonight? Yo, Roger, what up? Sticking to those Bills guns. Like to see that, yeah. Stick to those Bills, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Derek Harshman's in here. Well, welcome, new guy. Jeff, too, and the other Derek. What up, guys? Got a couple new guys. What's up? Museum and Sterling break tonight. What's up? Jeff is in here now. Nice. How's it going, Jeff? Same here, just living the dream. Hopefully pull some good old hits tonight. Wait a couple more minutes to get some more guys in here. Got some guys gotta watch the YouTube later, so. Oh, and now we're down a couple. Or not. Hard to tell if it's accurate sometimes, the counter. We're still live on the video too. Yeah, we're good. What's up? Couple new guys just joined in. What's up? Got to get these guys going here. The cutting implement is out. Oh, someone mentioning me. Yes, I did get Chiefs and Patriots for you, Jimmy, if you're in here. See, I'll tell you on the message board too. Yes. Let's make sure this trade is correct. Adam R. here. What up, Adam? Work out this trade. Yeah, I think that's correct. What do you guys want to start with? Do you want to go both the museums first or Bowman first? Let me know what you guys want to do. Sterling first, Roger says. Save the museums for last. Yo, what up, JP? Yeah, let's get it rolling. We're good. I got that trade is fine now. Everyone that's going to be here is probably here, so. And if not, they can check it out later. Yo, what up? So, Sterling Museum. Roger says we're doing Sterling first. So that's what we'll do. 13 hits in that guy. Done a lot of these guys. 6 autos and then 7 patches normally. And we'll get right to it. 2 hits a pack. I have spoken, Roger says. That is true. Roger has spoken. Here we go, guys. Get these cut up. Good luck to everyone. Luck to Derek. The other Derek, his first break in here tonight. There's our box topper. This is a silver one. And let's do 4 and 6. Their empty box. A sploosh. Okay. A little bit attack area. Here we go, guys. Start it right off. Our first pack. That'll be our first 2 hits. Good luck to everyone. Bowman Sterling. Here we go. Get our base up front. Okay. Troy Nicholas, rookie card. Jordan Matthews, Eagles rookie. Jeremy Hill, Bengals. And our first hit of the night, Steelers, Tree Archer. Seems like every pack the first one is always the auto relic. I always choose from a different pack though. Tree Archer auto relic. Let me just put the other hit to the side. Check out what this guy looks like first. Nice 2-color one. 74 out of 99 version. Tree Archer. Someone traded, I believe. Yeah. Jeff got that one. Oh, I got my sleeves here. I won't grab these out. Okay. Word. Jeff, that's going to you. First hit. So you didn't have bad luck on your trade, looks like. Yep. Nice. Okay, and then our next hit, our relic, our little dual relic. Giants, ODB, or OBJ, I don't know how you like to call it. OBJ, Odell Beckham Jr. A nice 3-color one here. No numbering on it. Giants. Nicole got that one. There you go, Nicole. Nice Odell Beckham for you. Nice. Sweet, sweet. Hey, let's get to our next pack. Go down on the top side of the line here first. Good luck, guys. Next 2 hits in here. This one opened kind of shittily. Crappily, excuse me. That base up front. Falcons, Yawan Smallwood, rookie Tom Savage, Texans, Kevin Norwood, Seahawks, and then our next hit. Let's see what we got here. It's a Bears, Jordan Lynch, running back. Get this other hit to the side so we can take a look at this one. 2 out of 99 version on this. Chicago. Jeff, you traded for them to get them, didn't you? Oh yeah. There you go, Jeff. 2 good trades for you. Come on, Sammy Watkins. 2 out of 99. Jordan Lynch. Then our next one. Chiefs, Aaron Murray. It's going to be a dual relic here. This one's numbered as well. 16 out of 99. Looks like just 2 color there. Aaron Murray, that one's going to Wesley, traded for Chiefies. Aaron Murray dual going to Wesley. Okay. That's our next pack here. Next 2 hits. Derek Carr rookie here. Started off. Aaron Donald, Rams rookie. Pierre Desir, numbered card here, 24 out of 50. Browns. And then our next hit. Let's see who we got. Allen Robinson, Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars. Corey Shiplett got this one. Allen Robinson. Let's get this hit to the side real quick. See what we got. Another numbered one. 9 out of 15 this time. Nice. Blue Wave, I guess you could call it. It's not Pulsar. It's more like Blue Wave. Allen Robinson. Yeah, it's Corey Shiplett. Nice. A lot of numbered ones so far. And then our next card here, next hit, dual relic for the Broncos. Cody Latimer. See what we got. Nice 3-color patch on that one. I think that one's Jake. We were talking about Bronx earlier. Yep. Jake Stark on that one. Cody Latimer. 3-color dual. Okay, right on down the line. Here we go, guys. Next pack. Bowman. These packs are exceptionally weak. They're tearing apart. There we go. Well, there's our Taji's Boyd. Okay. Andre Williams. New York Giants. Rookie card. Taj Boyd. Jets. Another numbered card here. Kyle Van Noy. Lions. 53 out of 75. Blacked out kind of card. It's kind of sweet looking. And our next hit. Brandon Cooks. Saints. Believe that's Chris Johnson. Yes. Get the other hit to the side here. Oh, I'm out of focus. This one's an auto. There we go. Brandon Cooks, not numbered this time. Saints auto going to Chris Johnson. Nice. And our next hit, we got another Chiefs one. D'Anthony Thomas dual relic card, so it's going to Wes again. Chiefs. Let's see what we got on this. Another 3-color one. D'Anthony Thomas, Chiefs 3-color, no numbering. Double check that. Yeah, it's Wesley. Okay, 2 more regular packs, and then there's our silver box topper. Save him for last, and then we'll do museum. This Redskins card will get randomized. Oh, there's a bunch of base on the bottom. Usually just 1. Redskins and Ravens were taken out because they, or not Redskins, excuse me, Chargers. Okay, yeah, the Redskins card will go to whoever has that one. Jeremy. Okay, Jeff Janis, Packers. Antone Exum, Vikings. Ryan Grant, that's our Redskins card. And then our next hit is the Giants. Andre Williams, not Odell. So Nicole is hitting again. Let's see what we got. Just a regular style one color. Andre Williams, white patch auto. Yeah, that was Nicole. And where the hell is Sammy? Yeah, I know. We'll see, we'll see. A nice Sammy box topper there, last Sterling box. And our next card here, Bucks. Mike Evans. Dual relic here. It's a numbered one. Gold, I guess gold. Yeah. Two color, maybe a little bit of orange on the interior of that as well. I'll call it two color though. Jersey and patch there. 61 out of 99. That one's going to Jake. Okay. Here's our last regular one of Sterling. And then our box topper next. Good luck. Let's see some Sammy action. It's another one I don't think pulled an auto. I haven't pulled one of his yet. I don't think. Except for that one redemption that Derek got. That's right. Jake Matthews. Falcons out. We got more base on the bottom this time. There's a Kelvin Benjamin. Base card. Nice. Brandon Cooks. Jake Matthews, Falcons base. And we get to our last two normal hits, as you can call them. Cardinals, John Brown. It's going to be an auto. Just get the other hit to the side. We got another numbered one. We got a lot of numbered cards in this box. John Brown, 47 out of 99 auto. I believe that was Zeke who's got that one. Yeah, Zeke's got it. Yeah, he's trying to trade him away. John Brown, 47 out of 99 auto. And our last hit from the normal packs, got AJ McCarron, Bengals. This one's Chris Johnson. Not numbered though, three color, nice. Jake, you got a Mike Evans gold numbered patch so far out of the Sterling. And this is our last normal hit, and we're about to open the box topper. And you also got a Cody Latimer patch as well, dual relic. So a couple relics so far for you, Jake. Odell, we got some Odell patches and some other cool stuff. But let's see what's in our box topper. Of course, I'll run through everything at the end of the break after our museum. So you guys want to hang around and see everything. Also helpful when you're watching the YouTube video if you don't want to watch the whole thing. The packs are giving me a hard time. I guess we'll get a nice numbered one since all the packs have been weird to open, really. Yeah, let's see what we get in our box topper. Gentlemen and ladies, let's see what we got. Browns, Terrence West. So no Sammy. Another numbered one. 28 out of 75 on this. Two color. Browns. That's going to JP, I believe, had the Browns. Yeah. And focus there. Okay, so that's all of Sterling. Of course, we'll see those at the end, but we'll move on to our museum. 4 mini box / packs in this one. 4 hits, 2 autos, and 2 relics. One of the autos is an auto relic. And so on and so forth. And some numbered parallels and such. few base cards. We got 2 of these tonight, so yeah, there's all our mini boxes. And then slice them all across the top. Get them open easy. There's our last mini box. Open her up. Puffy packs there. There's our last box of museum. Okay, guys, good luck. Start with our first pack of the museum. Can't exactly remember which way the hits showed on this side. Let's do it carefully here. Pretty sure the tops were, well, the camera doesn't like that super glossy highlight on the front there. Okay, yeah, we got base up front. I think base in the back, yes. Okay, well, you got a nice Odell rookie bronze base card there. Odell. Martavis Bryant. Rookie card. Steelers. Calvin Johnson. Base card. Troy Aikman. Cowboys base. I don't think any of these have been numbered. Take a glance at the first hit. Blake Bortles. Congratulations. Is this an auto? Let's see. Okay, it's quaddy. 1 out of 25 quad patch. Corey getting a nice hit too. Another nice hit. Blake Bortles. Looks like 3 color. Maybe the 2 teals are just a different shade. I'll call it 2. Don't want to be greedy. Number 1 out of 25, Blake Bortles. Quad patch. Pretty sweet. I think that black coloring is pretty awesome. Gonna have to get some of that Panini black gold or whatever. I like the look of those. Yeah, first pack down. It's an eBay 1 of 1 because it's the first one. I get a kick out when people say that. It's the first one off the printing press, so it's a 1 of 1, bro. Okay. Got a nice blue Marshawn Lynch. I believe this one is numbered, probably out of 99. Base card. Seahawks. Oop. Let me just check out what it looks like. Yeah, he's out of 99. 85 out of 99. Devontae Freeman, Falcons rookie. Julio Jones, Falcons veteran. RG3, Redskins. Then our next hit, let's see what we got. Looks like maybe a relic. Let's see what we have. Alshon Jeffrey. You received Pro Bowl Jumbo Relic. Okay, so the Jumbo Relic. Let's see what we got. Oh, just a white one. That's kind of lame. I'd like to see some extra color in there, obviously, but Alshon Jeffrey, that's a cool one. 48 out of 75. Bears. The Bears. Definitely like to see some color on that. You should have got some of that orange or whatever's on that number. Bright orange. Still a cool card though. Jeffrey. Okay, 2 more packs in our first box. Get our base parallel up front there. DeMarco Murray. Cowboys no longer with them, but Cowboys on the card. These are slick cards here. Let's see. Kadeem Carey. Bears rookie. Peyton Manning. Retired. Just kidding. Lawrence Taylor. Giants great there. And our next card, it's the Steelers. Martavius Bryant. Looks like an auto. Should be an auto since we've hit the 2 relics already. Yeah. There we go. 2 color again. It's another. We've got the Steelers. Jeff, you're on fire, buddy. Martavis Bryant, 135 out of 200. Sammy didn't get invited. 2 color patch there. 135 out of 200. Martavis Bryant, patch auto. Jeff chomping it. Okay, so here's our last one of the first box, last pack of the first box. Let's base out of here. Last hit should be an on-card auto this time. Richard Sherman base up front. Let's get this other one up. Troy Aikman. A lot of Cowboys parallels in this, I've noticed. A lot of Cowboys in general on the checklist. Troy Aikman. It's not numbered. Richard Sherman. Seahawks. Jeremy Hill. I think that one might be numbered. And we got a canvas card. Actually, I don't think. No, Jeremy Hill's not numbered. Barry Sanders, canvas. That's cool. Lions. And then our last hit of box number 1 of Museum. Bishop Sankey, Tennessee Titans. That's going to Jeremy. Yeah, on card here. 50 out of 350. Yeah, 50 out of 350. Bishop Sankey auto going to the Titans. Yeah, we opened Sterling already. Jimmy. I don't think you hit any Patriots. There's our Sankey. And here's our second box of Museum. Like that Barry canvas is cool. Is any numbering on it? No. Okay. There's that last box of the break. Our other Museum. Four mini boxes. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay. Empty box. Last 4 packs of the break. Everyone, good luck. 2 autos and 2 big relics. See what we got, boys and girls. Good luck. Russell Wilson up on top there. Another Seahawk, Marshawn Lynch. A Marshawn base card. Parallel there, the brown one. No numbering on those. Russell Wilson. Ronnie Lott, Niners. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. And our first hit of the second box of Museum. Joe Hayden. It's another Pro Bowl relic here. Maybe they'll give us some color this time. Come on now. We don't want white. There we go. Oh. That's funky. I'm telling us, give us some of that number. A little bit of raised. Got some real texture on this one. It's pretty sweet looking. Joe Hayden, 22 out of 100. Going to the Browns. JP. No bueno comp restart. Yeah, no, definitely got to pull Sammy here. Come on, some Evans. That's a cool card though. Joe Hayden. Weird metallic numbering there. Metallic paint. Okay, let's see our next pack. D'Anthony Thomas, Chiefs, rookie. Troy Polamalu, Steelers. Oh, screensaver. Okay, Deion Sanders, Falcons. Looks like our... Oh, I didn't bring the... I was wondering why the hit was so close. Oh, there's a nice Troy Polamalu out of 99 one. I was wondering why that hit jumped up on me. 34 out of 99 on that Troy. Dion just saw him in our next hit. Kelvin Benjamin. Triple relic auto. Panthers. No one wanted those Panthers. Or did they? Did someone trade for Panthers? Can't remember. I think Wesley had them, but nice. 12 out of 50. 3-color. Triple patch auto here. Nice Kelvin. I'm just checking. Yeah, Wesley. Wesley stood tall. No one offered it up. Nice card there. Oh, you traded them for Steelers. Ah, okay. Well, you both got hits out of it then. I was going to say, I thought someone traded. Nice card. 12 out of 50. 3-color patch auto. Triple relic auto. Come up with as many descriptors as possible. Triple relic, 3-color, 3-window, auto, numbered. Okay, next pack, guys. Manziel up on top there. Let me get this other parallel. Okay. And focus now. That's Devontae Adams, brown, I guess parallel, bronze. Johnny Manziel, rookie base card. Excuse me. Larry Fitzgerald, base. Jamal Charles. And our next hit, what do we got? Eddie Lacy. Ooh, nice. Signature Series auto. Sweet. 22 out of 50. Eddie Lacy auto. Who's got the pack? Zeke's got the pack. Zeke's good buddy Wesley traded him. Nice. 22 out of 50. Eddie Lacy. Nice. Lacy's one of my favorites right now. Bronze, I guess, level of parallel, probably, you could call it. You're welcome, Zeke. All the trades seem to have worked out pretty well tonight. Okay, we'll go to our last pack here. Very nice Lacy there. Last pack. course, we'll roll through everything we got. And if anyone's new and doesn't know, you get a hit if you go hitless. I'll send you something, relic or auto. I only got one guy that doesn't know that, so. Yep. Gale Sayers up on top there. We'll get this other base Mettenberger bronze parallel. Gale Sayers base. Teddy Bridgewater. Here's our canvas card for the box. Another, got a Russell Wilson canvas. Sea Hacks. Now let's see what our last hit of the break is. Good luck all. Oh, another Bishop Sankey. Can you believe 2 Bishop Sankeys in 2 boxes? What is it? What is this? Neverland or something? Let's see what he looks like here. Oh, it's a quad. Yeah, expecting a patch of some kind. 3 color. 3 out of 50. Patch quad relic. Sankmeister going to Jeremy. 3 out of 50, 3 color. Last hit. Really, yeah, these cards look pretty sweet. They pop out at you pretty good. Nice. So that's our last hit. I'm going to run through everything we got here, all the hits. Starting with what we hit last. Of course, we got that Sankey, but here's our nice Eddie Lacy, 22 out of 50. Nice, camera's in focus now. Sort of. 22 out of 50, Green Bay. Zeke. Pretty sweet Calvin Benjamin here. 12 out of 50. Triple relic auto. Bronze border there. Joe Hayden. 22 out of 100. Crazy all-pro patch number there. Yeah, Pro Bowl jumbo relic. Pretty sweet looking. Joe Hayden Browns. Another Sankey. An auto and a patch to go together. 50 out of 350. Artistic Expression auto. We have this Martavis Bryant. His auto, it looks just like Kelvin Benjamin's. MB though. Martavis Bryant. 2 color patch there. Oh. Yeah, you have the Patriots. Not a Zoink. Martavis. Alshon Jeffrey, Bears, Pro Bowl patch. Somehow this was numbered less than the... There's less numbering than the Joe Hayden one with the sweet color on it. 48 out of 75 on that. Blake Bordelais. Bortles number 1 out of 25 quad relic. 2 color. That was our first hit of museum. And then there's this Terrence West. 2 color. I'm just trying to catch up on their comments there. $28 of 75 on that Terrence. AJ McCarron Bengals 3 color dual relic. John Brown 47 out of 99 auto Cardinals. Mike Evans 61 out of 99 2 color gold. Andre Williams New York Giants rookie patch auto, no numbering on that. Anthony Thomas Chiefs dual relic 3 color. I'll send you a nice consolation, Roger. Brandon Cooks. See, if you had traded for your Bills to Patriots, you still would have not gotten a hit, so it all went even anyway. Brandon Cooks auto there for the Saints. No numbering. Cody Latimer, 3-color dual relic. Allen Robinson, 9/15, Jaguars auto, blue wave. The Chiefs dual here, 16/99, 2-color, Aaron Murray. Jordan Lynch, 2/99, Bears auto. Odell Beckham Jr., 3-color dual relic for the Giants. And all the way back to our first hit, Dree Archer, Steelers, 74/99, patch auto. Our first hit of the break. That is all the hits. It's a run through. Thanks everyone for joining. If I don't have your, I think if Jeff, you want me to send your buddy's cards out with you, I'll do that. If not, give me his address and I'll send his own package out. However you want to do it. Drats foiled again. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining. I just want to read all your comments, make sure I didn't forget to answer something. Zoinkies. Yeah, I'll get you guys yeah, no store, only Facebook. Pretty small time. Usually do 1 or 2 breaks a week. But if you look up Wyatt's box breaks on Facebook, that's where I am. Caddy. Cool. What's your name on Facebook? Yeah, I approve everyone to get in. Yeah, we try to keep prices as low as possible, and basically we do a little forum on what we're going to break each week, so you guys usually have a pretty big say on what we're going to break. I'll try to put in another order tonight. Maybe I'll get a post on there, see what you guys want to do, get a post on, see what we want to break next. And of course, in 10 days, the month of many giveaways starts. I can ship to Canada. Yeah, it might cost a little. It might cost you a little extra. It's like $7 as opposed to like $2 to ship stuff. Shipping is included with these guys things, so probably work out some cheap shipping rate. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'll accept your request there, Mark. Thanks everyone for joining again. We'll see you around next time. Let me know what you guys want to break. We might do a couple smaller end breaks, maybe some chromes, and I want to put some Supreme though in the next break as well, since that just came out. Anyways, guys, we'll see you around next time. Got any questions, PM me on Facebook. You know the drill. Alright, see you around next time, guys. Thanks.